How to fix Dailypay app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Dailypay application is not working, follow this quick and easy step. First and foremost, launch your phone settings. In here, scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. Head over all apps. In here, you need to tap on the search bar to search for Dailypay. Now the first step that you will do is to force stop the application. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which, while you are in your phone settings, head back to the main option page. You need to navigate to System Update. Ensure that your mobile device system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of Daily app and any other application. After this, try again to launch a Dailypay application in your device. If the issue still persists, there might be due to a network connectivity. For that, you can drop down your notification center. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. That is how you'll be able to fix the Dailypay app not working. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.